Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a super small craft haul video. I want to share some items that I purchased from Fun Paper Art here on YouTube. She has an awesome channel. She shares hauls and projects, and so check her out, Fun Paper Art. And I purchased a little some handmade items from her, and I want to share them with you. So she had them in this cute little box. I haven't opened it. I just tore everything off and took the tape off so I could open it easily. Oh, here. She has this cute little cat and a little ice cream sticky here. And it says thank you. Isn't that adorable? And a little piece of ephemera. I like that. That's cute. And then she has it packaged up so beautifully. Look at this little tiny bow. I think it escaped. So let's see what all I have here. Sorry about the crinkles. So she had some really cute glitter, not glitter, but I can't think what these are called right now. For you shake your cards. And then some really pretty pink Chanel yarn. And then these adorable bowls. You got several of these. And a little dangle. These are so precious. These really cute flowers. And then there's some beads in here. And then some really pretty bows. These are enamel, I think. It's really pretty bow there. Oh my goodness. Look at these super sweet flowers. Aren't those cute? Right there. Right there. Look at these baby bows. They're so adorable. And I do believe she used the Maggie Home collection. And then she has some sayings. Maggie Home bows. And this is what I'm really super excited to get. These super cute rosettes. They're so small. I love these. I've been wanting some of these forever. And then some crepe paper rosettes. Oh, it's so nice. And then some stitched banner pieces. The gold stitching. Everything is so cute. And I think she threw some extra goodies in here because I gave her an even amount of money. And then she threw some extra tiny, super tiny flowers and bows in there. So that is a super sweet order. So check her out here on YouTube. It's Fun Paper Art. And I can't wait to use these tiny rosettes. So cute. There's some flowers there. So that's it. Sequins. That's what those are. So check her out here on YouTube. And that is Fun Paper Art. Thanks you guys for watching. Bye.